The surface effect of CNC machining aluminum case is not good. Is it possible to change the surface treatment factory to make an improvement? Hello everyone, I am Ning from VMT. The poor surface effect of CNC machining aluminum case is not just a problem of surface treatment. The CNC machining process involves many steps, and it also cannot solve the problem if change surface treatment factory. It is necessary to determine the specific reasons for poor surface effect, such as materials, processing parameters, the tools, equipment, accuracy, and other issues. If it is determined that the problem is on the surface treatment, then you can consider changing the surface treatment factory. However, when choosing a new surface treatment factory, it is better to pay attention to the following points. First, to know the process flow and the equipment status for granuation and selection. Second, examine the processing examples of different materials and various thickness of aluminum material for a comprehensive evaluation. Third, conduct trial processing effects to evaluate, paying attention to control processing parameters and materials. Certainly, the poor surface effect of CNC machining aluminum case cannot be solved by changing the surface treatment factory only. The specific reasons need to be determined first and then find solutions accordingly. Only in this way can we make a high-quality CNC machined aluminum case. That's all for today. If you have any questions related to CNC machining, please leave a message or subscribe to us.